Here's a new tram that is targeting Indians dreaming of America. Not at airports, though, not inside embassies, but right inside your phones. And this time, the fraud is smart, emotional, and extremely dangerous. The American dream is turning into a digital nightmare for them. Every year, lakhs of Indians they dream about traveling to the US, right? They dream for better salaries, for world class education, for a new life filled with opportunities. Families invest their savings, students spend their years preparing, and professionals wait endlessly for visa approvals. But now something dark is growing quietly behind this whole dream. A new scam, carefully designed, and Indians are becoming its biggest victim. Well, the scam, it begins with a very simple message. Imagine this, you have been waiting for months, sometimes even years, for a visa interview slot. Every day you refresh the website, every single day you're disappointed. And suddenly a message pops up. Sir, we can get you an early visa appointment. Madam, we have inside access, guaranteed confirmation. Well, the message usually comes through social media, phone calls, or even WhatsApp. It sounds extremely professional, it sounds convincing, and most importantly, it sounds like hope. You know how fraudsters trap these victims? Well, the scammers know one thing very, very well. Desperation makes people take the risk. Yes, they promise faster visa dates, something applicants are really struggling to get officially, but there is a price for that. Well, they demand huge payments, sometimes running into lakhs of rupees. And once victims show some kind of interest, the trap becomes tighter. And then there is most dangerous step, handing over your login details. Yes, many fake agents ask applicants to share their login details of the official visa appointment portal. They say that it is required to fix the appointment here. But the moment the applicants share their passwords, control is all gone. Scammers immediately change login details, accounts get logged, and then begins the real nightmare. Threats, blackmail, and total financial loss. Several victims have reported something shocking here. When they refused to pay more money, fraudsters started threatening them. Some were told that their visa applications would be destroyed, others were warned that their personal information would be leaked. For many families, years of savings vanished within minutes. Authorities has now issued a clear warning. Officials have made one thing absolutely clear. No third party, no agent, no consultant can legally guarantee faster visa interview appointments. All bookings are handled only through the official visa scheduling system. Anybody claiming special access is almost certainly running a scam here. But you know why the scam is growing rapidly? The reason is simple. Visa waiting time is extremely long. Applicants are stressed, they are anxious, and sometimes they are desperate. Scammers are studying this pressure and turning it into profit. They are using professional language, fake documents, and even impersonating the official stuff, making the fraud look really real. In the end, this is how you should protect yourself. There are three simple but very powerful rules. A. Never share your password or login details with anybody. Never transfer money to unknown visa agents, and always use only official government websites for the booking. One small mistake can cost lakhs of rupees and years of planning.